yo, check it. We got that plywood in. About to build something dope, yeah, you'll understand. Okay, 3 tiers high, we stacking them right. Yeah, this ain't just a stand, it's a retail delight.
Tell me, it's that greeting card display, put it on your counter. Watch the crowd surround like they're looking for a bouncer. Stacking up them cards, got the racks all aligned. Custom logo on the front, now that's branded design. Collapsible, yeah, easy to fold. Let's take it to the craft fair, watch that story unfold. From postcards to prints, yeah, we got the range. Sturdy, stable, this display ain't strange. Assemble that stand, make it look so fly. 3 tiers up, reaching for the sky. Eco-friendly wood, yeah, we keep it real. In this retail game, man, that's the deal. Assemble that stand, make it look so tight. 3 tiers high, every card in sight. Show the world what you got, let your product shine. On this display, baby, it's your time to climb. From the post office hustle to the bookstore grind.
Don't put it in my garage.
This thing fits everywhere, versatile by design.
Oh shit.
Got your A5 notebooks, got your zines stacked high.
Comic books too.
When they see you set up, they'll be asking why.
Not ask, just buy it.
Sturdy like a rock, but smooth like a glide.
Like a baby's ass.
Putting everything together, yeah, we do it with pride. Custom cuts, laser fine, logo looking pristine. This ain't just a stand, it's a retail dream. Assemble that stand, make it look so fly. 3 tiers up, reaching for the sky. Eco-friendly wood, yeah, we keep it real. In this retail game, man, that's the deal. Assemble that stand, make it look so tight. 3 tiers high, every card in sight. Show the world what you got, let your product shine. On this display, baby, it's your time to climb. And when it's all set, feel that bass drop low. Every card in place, watch that product flow. Customers rolling in, yeah, they feeling the vibe. It stands more than wood, it's your retail tribe. Watch the sales explode. Cards flying off the shelves like they're on the road. This display's a hit, got that Midas touch. 3 tiers of success, can you feel that rush? So if you're looking for a stand, you know where it's at. 3 tiers of glory, now how about that? From the setup to the sale, we keep it on track. Boys, greeting card display, man, it's got your back.